how the politics in the country is actually armoring Pakistan. It's a fresh controversy that's broken out. The Congress party now has found itself in the spotlight for its comments, with the Pakistani media quoting Congress leader Ajay Rai's Rafale toy story. The BJP has now hit back, accusing the Congress of aiding Pakistan's propaganda, calling them Pakistani parasite party and accusing them of demoralizing the Indian forces with their statements. Now, the BJP has in fact hit out at the Congress party. Look at the visuals on your screens. This was the Congress leader Ajay Rai, who was yesterday holding a toy Rafale, and he was questioning the government. In fact, it also had lemon and chili, as he spoke about the puja that was conducted by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh. As he took the Rafales, the puja that was conducted, the Congress leader was making fun of the same and saying, when will the lemon and chili be removed, and when is it that the Rafales will actually be out? But the issue is that this politics is actually arming Pakistan. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast with the details. But before that, I just want to break down, just to put things in context, how the Congress party has been unrelenting in what it has been saying. Now, look at what the Congress party CWC says. Remember, immediately after the Pahalgam attacks, the Congress party had said that we're going to pass a resolution, we're going to put up unity. This is a time for national unity. This was a claim that was made by the Congress party. But look at the contrast that you're seeing in what the CWC that was adopted, the resolution that was adopted by the Congress party says, versus what the Congress leaders have been saying. And it's not just one. There are multiple Congress leaders who have been making these statements, and they've been demoralizing our forces. The resolution may be calling for unity across the country, but these leaders are making these statements, and remember, not a single action has been taken against them. There is nothing more than mere rebuke. In that as well, none of these leaders have actually been called out by the Congress leaders. A general statement was issued by some of the senior Congress leaders saying that it's unacceptable and that any of these party leaders should not deviate from the party line. But that has not stopped these leaders from making these statements, and now they've stooped down to even questioning the forces. Sabyasachi and Yawar continue to stay live with us. And Sabyasachi, as we were mentioning and as we have discussed over the last few days as well, nothing seems to be stopping the Congress leaders. They seem to continue to not just question the government after claiming that it's a time for national unity, but now they've also come down to questioning the forces. And this has clearly boosted Pakistan's propaganda that it has been trying to talk about, and which is why Ajay Rai's statement on Rafale in particular has been picked up by Pakistan.
Well, that's right. Time and again, Congress leaders' statements are being picked up by the Pakistan, and clearly the statement that has come up from leaders like Mr. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, as well as Ajay Rai recently, aligns with the narrative of the Pakistan. Now, time and again, we had seen that several of the Congress leaders have given a statement which does not match with the party line. In fact, in the past, the Congress party had issued strict guidelines to all its spokespersons, leaders and functionaries to stick to the party line and not deviate from that. And if any leader deviate from the party line, then strict action will be taken against them. But it seems that these are just mere words from the Congress party, because Priyanka Gandhi Vadra even reshared the letter which was written by Mr. K.C. Venugopal, because after that letter was written, seen that time and again the Congress leaders are giving controversial remarks, and the BJP has hit back at the Congress party, stating that the Congress party time and again is trying to demoralize the sentiments of the armed forces. In fact, whether it is Charanjit Singh Channi, the former Chief Minister of Punjab, asking for the proof of the surgical strike. So there has been no strict action from the Congress High Command as far as these statements are concerned. And time and again, whether the statement of Siddaramaiah or whether the statement of Ajay Rai, this has been picked up by the Pakistan as it supports their narrative.
Absolutely. And Yawar, tell us why this could be dangerous, because this narrative that we are seeing from some of the Congress leaders comes at a time when Pakistan has been called out time and again for the empty threats that it has been issued. We're seeing how things are unraveling within Pakistan. But here in the country, while India on one hand is looking at how to counter Pakistan, with sources even indicating that the government is looking at a long-term solution to the problems emanating from Pakistan. At a time like this is when politics is giving out an indication that all is not well within the country, that we are divided as a country.
Well, exactly, this is going to feel the very harsh consequences in the future. At a time when country is all set to have a permanent, to task the Pakistan or after the Pahalgam aftermath. On the other side, the politics which is gaining ground is seemingly being witnessed on the two sides of a coin. One side, the BJP has been continuously targeting those who are, nourishing and giving a support to those who are, Pakistan sympathizer. And on the other side, we are witnessing that the Congress statement is somewhere showing the soft corner towards those who are responsible of various aspects all across. Now things are going to clear in the coming days because continuously the BJP has been maintaining a line that there will be no hospitality and terrorism that will go hand in hand, and that's the message that has already been carried out all across after the Pahalgam incident unfolded in April 22. So all the things have been prospectively taken into the consideration when it comes to the national interest of the country, when it comes to the sovereignty of the country, and that's what we have been witnessing, that continuously the politics is gaining the ground across the country. Back to you.
Absolutely. At a time when the Indus Water Treaty has been put in abeyance, at a time when the visas have been put on hold and they've been suspended at the moment, at a time when the airspace has been closed down, we have such politics playing out. In fact, the statements that have come in from the opposition leaders seem to have armed Pakistan. More breaking updates now coming in.